Do you know that with just 30,000 naira or $20 you can actually get yourself good skincare products for your face and your body? Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel. And guys, in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys the tea. Yes, I'm going to be giving you guys the tea. Skincare products don't have to be that expensive. You don't have to spend so much money buying skincare products, guys, because with just a little amount of money, with just 30,000 naira or even lesser, you can actually get skincare products both for your face and for your body all together without even breaking the bank. Okay, because honestly in 2026 it is very possible for you to actually have a good skin on a budget. Yes, so you don't have to break the bank to have a good skin. And guys, in this video I'm going to be recommending products that you can get for your face and for your body, and you won't be spending anything above 30,000 naira or $20. Yes, and guys, all from your head to your toe. Okay, now the first skincare products you would want to use in your skincare routine is a soap. And this soap I'm going to be recommending for you is a soap that you can use both for your face and for your body. Okay, so you don't have to start buying extra face cleansers, because you know that we're on a budget, so we don't want to actually do so much. We don't want to actually go overboard. Okay, so now when it comes to soap, we have different types of soaps for different purposes. I'm going to recommend different soaps for different skin types. If you have normal to dry skin, you want to use Dove beauty cream bar soap. Guys, this soap is actually a very good one. It is very good for people who have oily to normal skin, and this soap goes for at most 2,500 to 3,000 naira. 2,500 or 3,000 naira, you can actually get this particular soap. Okay, and this soap, guys, this particular Dove soap, you can actually use it on your face and also on your body. Okay, now the next soap on my list is the one from Dettol, and that's the Dettol skincare soap. Like, guys, this is my go-to soap any day, anytime. Like, I use this soap. This is the soap I use. Guys, this particular soap, you can use it for your face and for your body, and it is good for all skin types. Yeah, it doesn't discriminate. This soap doesn't discriminate. It is good for all skin types. So now you have an oily skin, dry skin, normal skin, sensitive skin. But sensitive skin, please perform a skin patch test first. Okay, you can actually make use of this soap, so you don't have to actually do so much. And this soap costs depending on the size, okay, because it has different sizes. We have the one that costs 750, we have the one that costs 1,000 naira, we have the one that actually costs 1,500, depending on your budget. Okay, depending on the size you want to get as well. Now the next up on my list, which is for people who have maybe dark spots, acne, hyperpigmentation, and they want to actually brighten out their skin and also control their acne. Guys, you can actually go for the Palmer Skin Success Anti-Dark Spot Complexion Soap. Now this soap is a soap I would say is for people who have oily to normal skin, okay, and for people who want to brighten out their skin, because guys, this soap is going to do an amazing job for you when it comes to that. Yes, it might be a little bit on the high side, but guys, it's still going to, with all the products I'm going to mention, it's still going to fall within that 30,000 naira. Okay, it's not going to escape. So now the thing is that this soap costs 6,000 naira to 6,500. Yes, depending on where you get it from. So it costs within 6,000 naira to 6,500, all depending on where you get them from. And guys, all these products I mentioned, all these soaps I mentioned, I would advise that you get it from a recommended, or rather from a very good skincare store. Don't just get it anywhere, because to avoid buying the fake of it. Okay, now the next step is a toner, and toners are optional. Please, this step is very good. This step is very optional. Like, you don't have to do this step. Only if you have extra money to spare, you just want to just use a toner, then fine. But we actually have quite nice and amazing toners you can get depending on what you want to actually tackle on your skin. Okay, now we have toners like Bao Nature Niacinamide Brightening Toner. This particular toner is perfect for people who have oily or acne prone skin. The reason why I said so is because it contains really good ingredients that is for people who have oily, acne prone skin. They help to control your breakouts and also oil on your skin. Now this particular toner costs around, I think, 4,500 to 5,000 naira, so it is quite affordable. Okay, now the next toner on my list is the Simple Soothing Toner. Now this one is a very popular one. Like, if you know skincare, or if you know skincare products, you would know this one. It is very popular and it is very affordable, and it is good for all skin types. Okay, now this particular toner costs around 4,000 naira to 4,500. You see, it's very affordable. Now another one again is for people who have oily skin. So if you know you have an oily skin, this one should actually be your go-to, and you want to actually tackle or control your acne on the budget. Well, we have the Face Fact Ceramide Oil Control Hydrating Toner. This one is good. Okay, now this one is good for people who have oily and acne prone skin. If you know you have oily acne prone skin, this one is perfect for your skin, and it costs 6,000 naira to 7,000 naira depending on where you get it from. Okay, now that is all from toners, and we also have this particular one, guys. It's from Dr. Rasha. That's Dr. Rasha hyaluronic acid toner. Now this one costs around 5,000 naira, 6,000 naira, and it is quite big. Like, the size of this toner is big, so it can actually last you for a very long time. Like, can last you for like 2 months, 3 months, depending on how you use it. So it is actually comes a very reasonable size, and it can actually last you for a very long time. Okay, so if you want to get a very good hydrating toner, you can actually try it out. Okay, next toners, you want to go for a serum. Guys, serums are very important in every skincare routine. You can actually skip a toner, but you see serums, nah, don't skip a serum, because serums help to target specific skin concerns. Okay, now when it comes to serums, we have different types of serums. Now the one serum I'm going to recommending for people with oily skin is the Face Fact Niacinamide Serum. Now this particular Face Fact Niacinamide Serum is actually a very good one, and it costs around 4,000 naira to 6,000 naira. Another niacinamide serum again I'm going to recommend is the one from Beauty Formula, and this one is their Beauty Formula Niacinamide Illuminating Serum, and it costs 5,000 naira. So guys, these particular serums are very affordable. So if you know you have oily acne prone skin, you can actually try out using niacinamide serums, these niacinamide serums, and trust me, they're actually mild, they are not harsh on the skin. Okay, and when it comes to vitamin C serum, a very good vitamin C serum I like to recommend is one from Face Fact, and that's the Face Fact Vitamin C Serum. This particular Face Fact Vitamin C Serum costs around 6,000 naira to 6,500. Guys, I have used it before and I really liked it a lot, so it is actually a very good one. Okay, now for people who want to hydrate their skin, maybe you're looking for hydrating serums, you guys can try out the Face Fact Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Now this one costs around 4,000 naira to 4,500. Yes, now for people who have sensitive skin, or people who maybe their barrier has been damaged, maybe from one skincare product or the other, you guys can try out the Face Fact Ceramide Serum. Guys, this Face Fact Ceramide Serum is a go-to serum, and it costs around 4,000 naira to 5,000 naira. So you guys, you see, I'm giving you guys skincare products that are very affordable for your skincare needs. Yeah, for your skin type, for your skincare needs. So depending on your skin type and depending on what your skin needs, we actually have affordable skincare products that can actually do the job for you. Okay, pick out any of the serums I mentioned, any of the toners I mentioned, any of the soap I mentioned, and just stack it up. Okay, now, and just incorporate it in your skincare routine. Now the next step should be a cream, and I'm going to start with face creams. Okay, now when it comes to face cream, a very good and affordable one is the one from Face Fact, and that's the Face Fact Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. Guys, this one is a very, very good one, and I would say that you should use it if you know you want to use a very good affordable face cream. Guys, this one is a good too, and it costs around 6,500 to 7,000 naira. Guys, this face cream is good. See, I will not come here and recommend face creams that are not good. This one is very good. We also have the one from Simple, and that's the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer, and this one costs 6,500 naira. Guys, these face creams I mentioned, they are good for all skin types, so you don't have to worry about maybe it's going to be too harsh or too bad for your skin, or it's not going to be good for your skin. Well, it is actually going to be good for your skin, because the Face Fact contains ceramide, and ceramide helps to calm the skin. Okay, and the other one is actually a very good one as well, which can actually use for your skin. Okay, now the next skincare product is your body lotion. Now this body lotion is a very good one. Okay, now the body lotion I'm going to recommending is the Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow or Advanced Care body lotion. Okay, now if you know you have a dry skin, I'll advise you go for the Advanced Care. If you know you have a dry normal skin, I'll advise you go for the Advanced Care body lotion. It is actually very good and it's actually very hydrating. But if you know you have maybe oily skin and you don't really need something, and you want to also brighten out your skin, if you know you want to brighten out your skin, then you can go for the Even Glow one, which is actually a very good one. So, and these particular body lotions cost 6,500 naira. Yes, I don't think it's more than 6,500 naira. Okay, now the next one is Vaseline. That's the Vaseline body lotion. Now this particular Vaseline body lotion I'm talking about is the one that, like for example, is the one that is called the Even Glow or the Even Tone. So this one is actually a very good one, and I think this Vaseline body lotion costs around 6,500 to 7,000 naira, depending on the type you want to get. Okay, it all ranges on the type you want to get and where you're getting it from as well. Okay, now the next skincare products I'm going to be recommending is a sunscreen. You know, you don't want to joke around with your sunscreen. You know, sunscreens are very important in every skincare routine. Okay, even if you are on a budget, you still need a sunscreen, and we have affordable sunscreens. Okay, and one very good affordable sunscreen is the Bio UV sunscreen. Now this one costs around 3,000 naira to 4,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from and depending on the size you're getting. Okay, because UV that even costs as much as 6,500. Okay, or it all depends, okay, on where you are getting it from and the size as well. Yeah, you want to also exfoliate your body. Exfoliation should not be joked around with. Exfoliation is very important, and we have very nice and affordable exfoliants. Okay, so we have the Crispa salt scrub. Now that one costs around, I think, 4,500 to 6,000 naira there about, depending on where you're getting it from. Same as the Caribou salt scrub as well, and even the Dr. Myers as well. So they all cost within that same price range of 4,500 to 6,000 naira. It all depends on where you're getting it from. Okay, guys, these of them are very good. If not your skincare goal for this 2026 is to have a good skin and you don't have so much money to spend on skincare products, you guys can just pick out any of these skincare products I actually recommended. Okay, pick out any soap, pick out any serum, pick out any face cream, pick out any sunscreen, pick out any scrub, pick out any body lotion and use. Then if you have that extra money to spend, you can pick out a toner, okay, and use. So yeah, that is it for this video. And guys, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, just always subscribe to my channel. Okay, like my video, share, and also leave your comments. And any other videos you guys want me to make for you, guys can actually leave that under the comment section and let me know. And if you have questions, also leave that under the comment section as well, and I'll do so well to answer your questions. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye.